What's going on, y'all? It's your main man, Cab the Car, and today we're gonna be surprising my son.
You ain't introduce me?
I'm used to doing this alone.
Okay, it's
Dang.
hi. I'm Carton's wife.
What's going on, y'all? It's my wife and me. But today we're gonna be surprising my son with his very first dog, and it's something he's been asking for a long time. His birthday is tomorrow, and he's turning 10. So I went and picked up the puppy today. This is a miniature schnauzer, and we're gonna try to surprise him with it and catch his reaction. So y'all come along with us, and let's hope it's good. All right, so I got the camera set up, and my wife gonna bring him around, but I'm gonna be behind the car. So he'll see me once he comes around the car, and we hope we get a good reaction. So let's do it. He going the wrong way. Happy birthday! Pooping? What you think about that? You like it? Right. But I guess he liked it. Wow, show it to the camera.